This presentation is one of the State of Iowa Retirement Benefit Highlight Series. This short informational video offers valuable information regarding the State of Iowa retiree benefits. This presentation is information regarding continuing life insurance at retirement. A retiree can continue life insurance coverage at the time of retirement. The basic life insurance is $20,000 for all employees except spot-covered employees and $50,000 for spot-covered employees. In addition to the basic life insurance coverage, a retiree has an opportunity to continue any supplemental life insurance in force at the time of retirement. The maximum amount of supplemental life insurance is $100,000 for all employees except spot-covered employees and $250,000 for spot-covered employees. Active life insurance coverage ends the last day of the month of employment. An employee on central payroll will receive a postcard from the standard life insurance company after retirement with information about continuing life insurance. For an employee retiring from Community-Based Corrections, Department of Transportation, or the Supreme Court Commission, the agency's Human Resources Associate will give the retiree information about continuing life insurance. An advantage of continuing life insurance coverage is evidence of insurability is not required. An individual has two options to continue life insurance: portability or conversion. Portability allows an individual to continue the group term life insurance as a personal term life insurance policy. A retiree can port basic life insurance, supplemental life insurance, and accidental death and dismemberment insurance. In order to be eligible to port life insurance coverage, a retiree must retire before age 80, be capable of active work, and continuously insured under the State of Iowa's group for at least 12 consecutive months. Ported coverage costs less than converted coverage. Term insurance has no cash value. However, the benefit is paid out if the retiree passes away and the coverage is in force. The minimum amount to port is $10,000. The maximum is the amount of coverage, basic and supplemental, the retiree had at the time of retirement. Conversion allows a retiree to convert the state's term life policy into a whole life insurance policy. A whole life insurance policy provides lifelong coverage. However, premium payments are a lot higher than the portability rates. A whole life insurance policy, as opposed to a term life insurance policy, has a guaranteed cash value that builds over time. The policy also includes a cash surrender value, which means if the retiree decides to give up the policy, the individual can receive cash or continue the coverage without further premium payment. The amount of continued coverage would be based upon how much the cash surrender value could buy. These tables are the portability monthly premiums at different ages and insured amounts. These tables are the conversion, annual, and monthly premiums at different ages and insured amounts. For portability, a retiree has 90 days after their employment terminates to apply and pay premium. For conversion, a retiree has 90 days after coverage ends to apply and pay premiums. Please note that the termination date for employment differs from the termination date for coverage. Additional information about continuing life insurance is available on the DAS Benefits website. Enter benefits.iowa.gov in your search engine. When you are at the DAS Benefits site, click on Employees, click Life Insurance. On the left side navigation, click Continuing Life Insurance. If you have additional questions about the continuing insurance benefits at retirement, contact your agency's Human Resources Associate or email stateretirees@iowa.gov. Thank you for taking time to learn about the state of Iowa retiree benefits.